Why modern systems lose their sense of direction. The structural gap between information, resonance, and interaction. We live in an age of maximum information availability and at the same time increasing disorientation. At first glance, this seems paradoxical because more knowledge ought to lead to greater clarity. Yet that is precisely what does not seem to be happening in many places. Why? Because modern systems have become excellent at storing information, optimizing processes, recognizing patterns statistically, and scaling content, but are significantly weaker when it comes to grasping context, distinguishing the quality of resonance, making interactions visible, and providing stable support for human orientation. Many current models still view human beings in a fragmented way, psychologically, neurologically, socially, organizationally, technically, semantically, and economically. What is often missing is a common structure that makes it possible to connect these levels with one another. This is precisely where the structural gap arises. Not just between human and machine, but between meaning and effect, information and resonance, interaction and orientation, system logic and human experience. This is particularly evident at the moment in how we deal with AI. Because language models generate enormous amounts of responses without necessarily being able to differentiate between relevance, resonance, overwhelm, context, relationship, density of meaning, or suitability. As a result, there is often more reaction, but not necessarily more orientation. Perhaps that is why in future we will not only need better AI systems, but above all, better architectures for interaction. Structures that make visible what actually affects whom, which systems are interconnected, where resonance arises, where excessive coupling occurs, and how people can find their bearings again within growing complexity. For me, this is precisely where the idea of a metasystem begins. Not as a replacement for existing disciplines, but as a connecting space for orientation between them.